there are a large number of different core NFT types, uh, and they correspond to a person's role in the ecosystem. So Nexus core NFTs are for the OG holders of Vitru tokens. Validators are self-explanatory; they are the node holders. Stewards are essentially people who have a council role, so council lead, a team lead, etc. Dreamer. Now, this is the big one. So, Dreamer is going to be all artists who have had previously a Nifty Dreams pass. So, we're going to drop those Dreamer NFT passes into your, NFTs into your account, and they come with a small Vitru allocation also. Now, bear in mind that for any account, any wallet, you can have any of these, as many of like types as you can, but you can only have one type. So this is important information, especially for you validators with lots of different nodes. One account, one core NFT. So you need to make sure that if you have a validator node, or if you have a Dreamer pass, that you have moved them to multiple wallets, because we do not support having multiple core NFT types of the same kind in one wallet. So it's up to you to move those. If you have multiple ones in the same wallet, it is not going to work ever. The contract is being designed to have only one core NFT type in a wallet. So what that means, you could have Nexus, you could have Validator, you could have Steward, but you cannot have Nexus, Validator, Validator. You cannot have that, all right? So this is especially true for people who have the Nifty Dreams Dreamer Pass. Be mindful that you are going to need to spread them out across multiple wallets if you intend to derive the benefits of those core NFTs, which include voting rights in the DAO. All right, continuing down on the lower row, we have Maxim. So Maxim is basically analogous to Nexus, except it exists if someone uses a booster on an account that has no core NFT. If you don't have a core NFT, we auto airdrop a Maxim in there. A Trooper is for team members, so folks who are providing services to the DAO on a regular basis. That would be Trooper. So Steward is more leadership kind of, and Trooper is more people providing services. Benefactor is potentially anyone coming in who has been an investor previously with a larger amount through an acquisition, or who is now an investor who doesn't come in with a booster, who comes in through a SAFT agreement, a simple agreement for future tokens. And then early birds, we are going to have them have their own separate core NFT too. So all of these airdrops are happening all through January. They are just going to be staggered. And I can't give you specific dates on each one, but keep in mind, especially if you are working on multiple chains, you're not going to see these core NFTs in your wallet anywhere except on Vitruvio chain. So you need to connect your wallet and be sure you're looking at your account on Vitruvio chain. So we'll provide instructions on that, and in Vitru Scope, there'll be a button to easily add the network to your wallet. So if you haven't done that, that's what's coming up. So I will keep bringing this slide up because I know not many folks are used to the idea of having an NFT that unlocks and tracks your asset ownership. So here's why these NFTs are necessary. Your allocation, whatever it might be, is vested. Vesting means that your allocation is stored in a smart contract. It is not in your wallet. It is in your account, but it is in a smart contract. So the NFT is needed because it contains information about what is your vesting schedule, what are your perks amounts, what is your rev share amount, and all manner of those things. What are your voting credits, for example, in the DAO. So think of that core NFT as literally sort of a passport, if you will, for your coins and your governance and your perks and your revenue share and all of that. And you need that core NFT in order to be able to claim things. So the app, Vitruscope app, is being designed to look in your wallet and see what core NFT types you have, and based on that, it will allow you to unlock functionality. So there are no deadlines, there are no timelines. You don't have to do anything by any date because it's all contract driven. You can come after a year and find the core NFT that's in your account and make a claim, and whatever you're eligible for at that point, you will be able to collect that. So absolutely no time pressure on you once we have launched Vitruscope and have the core NFT in your account. Do things whenever you want. The contract will calculate and give you your assigned, released, free coins, drop them into your wallet, at which point they are free. You can do whatever you want with them. But until then, the core NFT is your passport. It lets you track what your status is within the ecosystem. So hopefully this explains core NFTs to you, especially the folks who are coming in, the artists who are going to have a Dreamer NFT. You will have, like I said, voting rights in the DAO. You will have a small amount of vested coins, and these NFTs will help you track it. So next week, when we have Vitruscope up, we'll be able to see this in action. So it will go from a slide to actually being able to work it out. So I'm excited about that.